Welcome back to Quattro-Tech. Today we thought we'd go through some exciting news. We've just partnered up with Nextbase to offer their Dashcam product. It's something Quattro-Tech wanted to get involved with for a little while now. With the Nextbase cameras we're going to be offering both a front and rear camera and just a front on its own. There's lots of benefits for these cameras, and we've actually got Neil from Nextbase come down, and I'm sure he'll go through some of the benefits of actually having dash cams fitted to your vehicle. So the products that we are going to be showing you today is going to be this one here, which is the 380 GWX and the 380 GW. The GW is just the front camera, and this is the front and rear camera. There's many benefits to this, and as I go through the box and open it up, we can go through some of these with you. We feel that these are just great cameras. They link to an app, so you don't have a screen, there's no distraction or anything like that. Let's get one of the boxes open. So we're going to offer a package with this, and as you can see in the box, it comes with everything you need. There's the battery pack for the unit itself, the SD card to go into it that obviously records everything onto. This is a hardwire kit, so this kit will allow us to hardwire it directly into the fuse board, meaning that you'll have no wires on show. It will be hidden away, it will just be the camera out, and that's for both front and rear. And then this is the main bit itself. So what have we got in the box? As you can see, we've got the rear camera here, and this is the front camera. Let's have a look at it and let's get this open. So this is the front camera. This will fit on your screen and it'll be hidden away. Obviously, we can move the camera, we can make sure that that is all set up so it's got the best view of the road ahead of you. As you can see, they're quite slick, they're small, there's nothing to them, and they can tuck up, hide behind your interior mirror, which I think is a great thing. They're not there bulky, sticking out on your dash. With the rear, this is the rear camera. Now these sit obviously looking out just through the rear window on the vehicle. Again, this would all be tucked away, so that is all you'll have on view, which is quite small. Also, the thing that I do like with them is, depending on what model you have, they offer some different kinds of brackets. So these can actually be mounted to a bracket in the vehicle. So again, it sits tidy, it sits straight. You're not trying to stick it onto a windscreen or anything like that. So what we plan to do now is we're going to fit these to all of our loan vehicles. We're going to fit them to all of them, obviously to help us and protect us for our insurance. But also, I think it's something that's good to demonstrate to customers so they can see them actually fitted in vehicles. So I'm going to get this fitted into one now. Like I said, Neil from Nextbase is come down as well. He's going to run through it all with us. And then once that's all set up and done, we can go through some of the things. What I really like about this camera is the fact that it's all app-based. So you can just link it to your app on your phone. Then if something does happen or you need to get some video footage from that, you just go into your app, you can have a look through, and obviously it's got the recorded journeys on there. There's a number of other features with this, which I'm sure Neil will go through, who obviously knows this product better than myself. But one of the main things with it is it has, like, if you've parked up in a car park and somebody bumps into the car, it's actually got an activation, so it will turn on to video that even with you not in the vehicle, which I think is a great extra that it offers. So last thing to say is, obviously, as I was saying to you before, there's two that we offer. If it is just the front camera, it is still this camera. It's identical, it just obviously doesn't have the back camera bit connected to it. And there is absolutely reasons. Some people don't want rear, obviously vans and stuff like that, people wouldn't, but other people don't want it. So it's still the same camera, it's still the same product, and looks just as good. So what we'll do is we'll get this fitted, and then what we can do is I'll show you that in one of our loan vehicles, show you that all operating and working, and we can go from there. Right, so it's all been fitted into the car. If you want to come and have a look. As you can see, looking through the window, you can't really see anything at all. If you come round to the front, you can see that it's just there to the right-hand side. As you can see, or you may have heard, you heard the camera turn on, and there it is, sitting just up there now. You probably can't see it, but I promise you it is there. What we'll do is we'll open it up. And as you can see, the camera just sits here. This is one of the brackets I was explaining to you, so there's no damage to any interior or anything like that. That just hooks in. And as you can see, it's smart and looks clean. I hope that's been a bit of an insight into the Nextbase dash cam, like I said, that we offer. If anybody has got any questions, please give us a shout. Drop us an email or give us a call. And we can go through all the options, have a look, and hopefully get you into your dash cam. Thanks.